Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the indirect method for calculating the large distances, in which today I am going to discuss the parallax method. Parallax method is a method used for calculating the large distances as the distance of moon or heavenly bodies from the earth. First, coming to what is parallax? It is the apparent shift in the position of an object with respect to another when we shift our eye sidewise. Here I have made a diagram to understand it. Let there is a pencil which is P at a distance S from our eyes. First looking towards the pencil by left eye, closing our right eye, and then looking to the pencil with our right eye, closing the left eye. Then what we will see that the shift in position of object means in the position of this pencil, and this shift in position is called parallax. The distance between two points of observation, here in the diagram these are denoted by L and R, as known as basis, while this angle is known as parallax angle or parallatic angle. Now the application of parallax method is to calculate the distance of moon or nearby heavenly bodies from earth. For this, to measure the distance of moon, we observe it simultaneously from two different positions on the earth. As in diagram you can see these 2 points is taken as A and P, which are separated by a large distance. We select a distinct star for reference whose position can be taken approximately same during the observation. If θ1 and θ2 are the angular positions from this reference star of the moon from A and B, then the parallatic angle, this will be the parallatic angle, which is equal to theta, and theta will be equal to θ1 plus θ2. Now we know that the angle is equals to arc upon radius. Because the distance is too much, so this arc can be taken as B, and the radius is taken as S. Actually this is S in this diagram. So angle is equals to arc upon radius, or here the arc is B and the radius can be taken radius is S. So we can calculate the value of S, which is equal to B upon theta. This method is known as parallax method. Using this method we can calculate the distance of stars from the earth.